Every garment begins here, in fields where raw cotton fibers are carefully harvested.
The journey continues as raw fibers are transported to specialized processing plants.
These fibers will soon be transformed into the fabrics that form the foundation of every piece.
Every bale is carefully inspected to ensure only the highest quality fibers are used.
Specialized machines begin preparing fibers, separating and loosening them for spinning. Impurities are meticulously removed to ensure purity in the final fabric.
For finer fabrics, combing removes irregular fibers, ensuring uniform strength and softness.
Different fibers are blended to achieve the perfect combination of comfort, stretch, and durability. The fibers are formed into continuous strands, preparing them for yarn production.
Carding aligns fibers, creating a smooth, consistent foundation for yarn production.
Every batch is examined, ensuring that only perfect fibers advance in production.
Tracking each batch allows traceability and guarantee consistent quality throughout production.
Prepared fibers are stored under controlled conditions until ready for the next phase.
And with the fibers ready, the journey continues toward yarn production, the heartbeat of every garment.
Safety and precision are paramount, ensuring a reliable process from the very start.
At the facility, every bale is carefully checked before entering the spinning process.
The harvested and prepared fibers are transported to specialized yarn production facilities.
Tracking each bale ensures quality control and traceability throughout production.
Opening machines loosen and separate fibers, preparing them for consistent yarn production. Bales are carefully fed into the first machines that begin transforming fibers into yarn. Impurities are meticulously removed to maintain the integrity of the yarn. Blending ensures the right balance of comfort, durability, and elasticity for each garment type. Fibers are rolled into slivers, creating a uniform base ready for yarn spinning.
Each sliver is carefully examined to prevent defects in the final yarn.
Spinning machines transform raw fibers into strong, continuous yarn, the foundation of every garment.
Skilled operators ensure the yarn is consistent, smooth, and ready for cutting and weaving.
Once spun, yarn is carefully wound, organized, and prepared for garment assembly. Inside, materials are organized, stored, and prepared for the next stage of production.
Sorting fabrics by type and color keeps the production process smooth and accurate. Safety and precision are paramount, even in the entry zones of the factory.
Fabrics are carefully fed into the automated systems that will shape them into garment pieces.
A careful inspection ensures every material meets the factory's stringent quality standards.
Each sheet is inspected to prevent errors and ensure the final garments are flawless.
Automated cutting machines translate designs into precise pieces for assembly.
Preparation is key. Templates and cutting tables are meticulously arranged for accuracy.
Skilled operators ensure the cuts are perfect, maintaining the integrity of every garment piece.
Each piece is carefully organized to streamline the sewing and assembly process. Labeling ensures traceability,
allowing each garment to be tracked from fabric to finished product.
With fabrics prepared and organized, they move forward to the sewing lines, where garments start to take shape.
Before stitching, every piece is carefully cleaned to remove dust and tiny fibers.
Precision cleaning ensures that each garment starts in pristine condition. Skilled eyes detect even the smallest imperfections before production continues.
Sorting helps streamline the sewing process and maintain consistent production flow.
Color consistency is critical, ensuring each garment aligns with design specifications.
Accurate labeling keeps every piece traceable through the factory.
With sorting complete, fabrics begin their journey toward assembly. Each piece is positioned carefully to ensure precision during stitching.
Preparation at the sewing station is meticulous, combining skill and precision.
Quality materials are key to comfort and durability in the final garments.
Calibrating machines ensures every stitch is uniform and strong. Safety and hygiene are maintained throughout production, protecting both workers and fabrics.
Every piece is inspected one last time to guarantee quality before sewing begins.
And now, the fabrics are ready to be transformed into the garments we recognize and wear.
The core of garment creation begins here, as machines and hands join fabric into precise forms.
Skilled hands ensure that each piece aligns perfectly with the design templates. The elastic is carefully attached, providing comfort and a snug fit in the final garment.
Decorative trims are added, combining style with precision craftsmanship. Critical seams are reinforced, ensuring durability and longevity for every garment.
Every piece undergoes meticulous inspection before moving to the next production step. Once sewn, garments are gently pressed to set seams and remove wrinkles.
Pressing gives each garment a professional finish, ready for detailed inspection.
Elasticity is tested to guarantee a comfort and correct fit in the finished garment.
Sorting by size keeps production orderly and efficient, minimizing errors downstream.
Supervisors ensure that every stitch meets the factory's high-quality standards.
Loose threads are trimmed, leaving garments neat and polished.
With stitching complete, the garments move forward to their final assembly and detailing stages.
Now, garments begin the transformation stage, where every detail is perfected.
Functional components like hooks and clasps are precisely installed to ensure usability and durability.
Decorative details enhance aesthetic appeal without compromising function.
Shaping presses form the garments into their final contours for perfect fit.
Elastic edges are sealed and reinforced to maintain stretch and prevent fraying.
Every garment is trimmed and refined, removing excess threads for a polished finish.
Labels are applied accurately, providing essential garment information and brand identity.
A final stretch test ensures that every piece meets comfort and fit standards.
At this stage, automation enhances precision, speed, and consistency across the production line.
Optical systems scan each garment, identifying imperfections invisible to the human eye. Any irregularity is flagged instantly, ensuring only approved items continue forward. Smart conveyors separate garments without interrupting production flow. Each item is digitally tracked, recording its journey through the factory.
Automated folding ensures uniform presentation and minimizes handling.
Automated tension checks confirm consistent comfort and fit. Weight verification confirms material consistency across every unit. Steam finishing refines appearance without stressing delicate fabrics. Human oversight ensures automated systems perform within exact standards.
Only garments meeting strict criteria move ahead. Approved corrections are seamlessly reintegrated into production.
One final pass confirms readiness for finishing and packing.
With automation complete, garments move into precision finishing. Precision finishing is where garments are refined to meet exact visual and functional standards. High-intensity lighting reveals details that normal conditions might conceal.
Skilled technicians make precise refinements where needed.
Edge alignment ensures comfort, symmetry, and a professional finish.
Strap lengths are verified to ensure consistent fit across sizes.
Heat setting stabilizes seams and preserves garment structure. Elastic memory testing ensures long-term comfort and durability.
Symmetry checks maintain visual consistency across production runs.
Filtered air removes microscopic lint without physical contact.
Uniform folding prepares garments for flawless presentation.
Precision folding ensures consistency at scale.
Automated counting confirms accuracy before final quality checks.
Human oversight validates the final presentation.
With finishing complete, garments advance to rigorous quality testing.
Before leaving the factory, every garment is subjected to rigorous quality control testing. Visual inspections identify even the smallest imperfections.
Seams are tested to ensure they withstand regular wear. Elastic components are tested for long-term resilience. Abrasion testing confirms fabric durability through repeated use. Color fastness testing ensures shades remain vibrant over time.
Dimensional checks confirm garments retain their shape.
Wear simulation replicates real-world movement and stress.
Label accuracy ensures proper care and sizing information.
Any rejected items are reviewed and corrected when possible.
Only fully approved garments are cleared for distribution.
With testing complete, garments move to final packaging and shipment.
Automated folding ensures consistency, speed, and careful handling. Human oversight ensures accuracy and presentation quality.
Every package is digitally verified before sealing.
Sealed and labeled, each unit becomes traceable across global supply chains. Finished units are grouped into bulk cartons for transport efficiency. Robotic palletizing maximizes stability and space utilization. Protective wrapping safeguards goods during transit. Finished goods are stored under controlled conditions until dispatch. Digital inventory systems coordinate real-time stock movement. Orders are picked according to destination and schedule. From here, garments begin their journey to global markets.
Many factories now integrate sustainability into packaging and logistics.
Each shipment connects manufacturing floors to consumers worldwide.
From fabric selection to global delivery, every step reflects precision, planning, and purpose.